Website content is the reason people come to your website. So, content is the king of your website. Websites may have the textual, visual, and oral content. The visual and oral content on sites are delivered by multimedia. Multimedia includes animation, images, sound, video, and any other content that is not the text. The textual content is contained in products and information pages, blogs, and articles. The dominant is the page concept composed of HTML content. In spite of the fact that there are many ways to deliver information or a website, search engines are still text-based. If your website has images, graphics, animations, videos, Flash, or other not textual files, they look pretty for users. But Googlebot doesn't know what to do with them as read only the regular text. When Googlebot visits your website, it wants to see paragraphs, sentences, and words. So, the more you say on your website in organic text, then better your site looks for Google. Writing for the web differs from writing for print. Most web users are searching for specific information or answers of their questions. Usually, websites visitors don't stay long on one page. When users visit your website, they want quickly and easy to understand website content and find information they are interested in. You should create quality textual web content as it promises more traffic, fewer bounce rate, and higher conversions. Before to start writing, define your goals and consider your audience. Analytics software can help you to get a better picture of your website's typical visitors and your potential customers. Interesting sites increase their recognition on their own. To please both the search engines and potential customers, you need to offer your users compelling and useful content optimized for search engines. Improving content should be a priority regardless of the website's type. Write easy-to-read text. Users enjoy content that is well-written and easy to follow. Regardless of age, cultural background, education, attitudes, and reading level, people prefer easily understandable information. Write your content for readers, not for professionals. Keep your sentences short but not choppy. Especially this is important for the first few sentences of text. If visitors have difficulty at the beginning, they may stop reading and leave your website. Avoid writing text with many spelling and grammatical mistakes. Stay organized around the topic. Organize your content so visitors have a good sense of where one content topic ends and another begins. Use a clear topic sentence at the beginning of each paragraph. Breaking your content up into logical pieces helps users find the content they want faster. Moreover, it is recommended to write one topic per page. Avoid adding large amount of text onto a page without a paragraph, subheading, or layout separation. Place the most important information first. To get the visitor's attention, put the most important information first and the least important information last. Many users read only the first few words on a page or paragraph. If they think the content is interesting and/or helpful, they may keep reading. In other case, they will go to another page or leave your website. Stay fresh. Update your website content regularly. People expect to see new information when visit your website. Fresh content also helps lead your site to high search engine ranking that draws more traffic to your website and helps attract customers. Moreover, it is recommended to display the date the site was last updated, or in other words, content was added or modified. For example, on the Wikipedia, we can see in the bottom of each page when the current page was last modified. Create content for your users, but easily accessible to search engines. Search engine optimization is very important to get readers, but if your content is obviously geared toward the search engines, you might quickly lose your readers. Consider your audience, its needs and expectations. Audience awareness is one of the main keys to writing effective web content. As to search engines, content with more words are likely preferred to short, superficial texts. The more information you give on your website in organic text, then better your site looks for search engines. Avoid embedding text in images for textual content, as search engines can't read it. Create unique content. In other words, your website's content needs to be original, not duplicated from anywhere else. New content will not only keep your existing visitor coming back, but also bring in new visitors. Google uses different algorithms to determine sites with the highest quality content to provide each customer with websites that best matches users' requests. Moreover, unique content plays one of the key roles in the search ranking. While unique content can improve website search ranking, duplicate content can decrease it as search algorithms rate websites with unique content highly and vice versa penalize websites for posting duplicate content. Avoid copying existing content and placing content that will bring a little extra value to users. The more web pages your website has, then better. But each your page content must be exclusive. Include keywords to your content. Think about the words that a user might use to find a piece of your content. Use those words in your text as having keywords appear more than any other words likely acts as a relevancy signal. But make sure that your content sounds natural and is pleasing for readers. Remember, now Google Hummingbird welcomes long-tail keywords. Avoid inserting numerous unnecessary keywords to your content. You should use the keyword phrase enough so that it is recognized as the topic, but not too many times that your readers notice. Some websites use manipulation of keywords to attract search engines, but in actual have content of poor quality. Content that contains the same phrase repeated in each sentence is terrible. Having your keyword more than twice per paragraph might be too many. Keep your pages short and to the point. Your content should be short but long enough to thoroughly cover the subject. If you need to write a long article, cut your content into subsections and write each subsection as a stand-alone page. Avoid including a lot of useless content to your website. Create actionable and engaging content. Think about what you want your website's visitors to act. Click on your links, visit your website again, submit your email address, download a document, or purchase a product. In order for your content to be actionable, you should tell users what you want them to do, how to do that, and what they can gain from the desired behavior. Engagement is a process of involving users in the content in a way that motivates them to make an action. Checklists and interactive tools are examples of engaging content. Have a blog on your website. A blog is a collection of articles which generally appear in reverse chronological order, or in other words, the newest posts show up first. Blogs are very flexible and allow you easy add content, including textual every day. Write as much as possible. Creating unique textual content that is relevant and interesting to users gives your website a greater chance of rising to the top of the rankings.